Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sync files and folders to Microsoft OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to locate your Microsoft OneDrive app on the bottom right of your taskbar within your system tray. Go ahead and click on it to open your OneDrive. This system tray icon is your quick access point to all of OneDrive's settings and features, making it easy to manage your cloud storage without opening a full browser window. Once the small OneDrive window appears, direct your attention to the top right part of this window. You'll notice a gear icon there, which is your gateway to all the customization options. Click on this gear icon and a context menu will appear with several options. This menu gives you control over how OneDrive operates on your computer and what gets synced to the cloud. From this context menu, click on Settings. This will open the OneDrive Settings window, which is where you can configure all the important aspects of how OneDrive works with your files. The settings window is organized into different sections, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Now, look at the left navigation menu within the OneDrive settings window. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Sync and Backup. This section is specifically designed to help you manage what files and folders get automatically backed up to your OneDrive cloud storage. It's one of the most important features because it ensures your important data is always protected and accessible from any device. Once you're in the Sync and Backup settings, look for the Manage Backup button and click on it. This is where the magic happens. Clicking this button will open up a comprehensive view of all the folders on your computer that are available for syncing. You'll now see a list of all the files and folders you can sync from your computer to Microsoft OneDrive. This typically includes important folders like your desktop, documents, and pictures, which are the most commonly backed up locations. Each folder will have a toggle button next to it, making it simple to choose what you want to protect. To enable a folder for syncing, simply click on the toggle button next to it. Once you do this, the selected folders will automatically begin syncing to your OneDrive cloud storage. This means any files you add, modify, or delete in these folders will be automatically updated in the cloud, keeping everything perfectly in sync across all your devices. And that's it. You've successfully set up folder syncing to Microsoft OneDrive, ensuring your important files are always backed up and accessible. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.